ಏ 1.25 ಅವರ್ ಐತೆ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 ಕಾರ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನು ಇದನ್ನ?
ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫುಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
This bro is here, the birthday girl.
Victory is mine.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
5
Which best dish?
Kerala parota.
Kerala
And pickle 5.
ಏ 1.25 ಅವರ್ ಐತೆ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 ಕಾರ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನು ಇದನ್ನ?
Hey guys, bro is here, the birthday girl. ಕತ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೆಳಕಿನಡೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಪ್ರೋ ಮೂತಿನೇ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಪ್ರೋ ಏನು ತಿಂತೀಯಮ್ಮ? ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ Kolkata. Okay. Guys, we are here at the Lalit Ashok Bakery and Shubhang is very, very helpful. So say hi. Are you on Instagram?
Yes sir, I am Instagram sir.
Yeah, what's your profile?
My Supranshu Das.
Okay, just follow him guys. I'll put it on the description below. He's very helpful. If you are ever around, check this place out and do meet him and say hi. Thank you.
Thank you so much sir. Thank you.
Okay, long story short, the actual plan was to go to Taj, but then there we didn't get any bookings and the cafe that we want also was full. So the next plan we went to the nearby Kapil or Kappu beach, and then from there we are here at another 5-star restaurant called the Lalit Ashok Bakery. Hey, ಆಚೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Check, Maya Bhai is checking out. Maya Bhai is very angry right now.
I'm not angry sir. I'm hungry.
Yeah, plus angry. You have mood variations when you're hungry. It's called hungry.
That's why I'm trying not to like.
Yeah, that's why. But you are, no?
That's why I should meditate, guys.
There is one thing you should know about Maya Bhai. If he is hungry, which he gets very often, and he doesn't eat. Once he's hungry, he'll be like, meh. You would have seen in many vlogs.
Look at this body, guys. You think I don't eat? I eat just right.
He's just blessed. He's just blessed with good metabolism.
Nothing is blessings, guys. Okay.
Good genes, bro.
Lighting. Huh? Look at my dad, guys. You think he has good genes?
Natesh Mama, ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ
You think he's
restaurant?
muscular, my dad?
ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ನಟೇಶ್ ಮಾಮ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್? ಏನಿದೆ ನಟೇಶ್ ಮಾಮ ಇವಾಗ?
ಇನ್ನ ತಿಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂಚೂರು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಹಾಂ,
ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡಿ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್
ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫುಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ನಟೇಶ್ ಮಾಮ ಬೀಚ್ಗೂ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವನು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬೀಚ್ಗೆ.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆಂಬಿಯನ್ಸು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
ಬೀಚ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Pro and Vinod are using the washroom. ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ 18 ರೂಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ಗೈಸ್ ಇರೋದು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಎಷ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಉಳಿದಿರೋದಿನ 18 ರೂಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 40 ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ. Why don't you take a dip, bro? Why don't you take a dip?
No thanks.
ಬೇಗ ಹೊರಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. Is we are going to see the gym which is right ahead, and he is going to rate the gym. ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಹೇಳಿ?
ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ರೂಮ್ ಜಿಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್.
Why bro? The one you've been in Delhi ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ.
Radisson, yeah, that was very nice. This also looks very good.
Let's see. 3, 2, 1. ಬರೀ ಯಾಕೋ ಎದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತೆ.
ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ರಾಕ್
ಹಿಪ್ ಹಾಪ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಾನೆ ಏನದು?
ಮಷೀನ್ ಇದೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪುಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಷೀನ್, ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಷೀನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಬ್ಡಕ್ಟರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈ.
ಟ್ರೆಡ್ಮಿಲ್ ಏನು ಬ್ರೋ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅದು? ಹಾಂ, ಕಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ ಬ್ರೋ.
Decent.
Rate out of 5.
For a hotel room gym, I give it like a 3. I mean, it has basic everything. Number.
Okay guys, ಓಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಇವಾಗ ಟಿ ಟಿ ಆಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆದ್ದಿರೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ?
11.
ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
ಹೋಯ್ತು ಹೋಗಲೇ, ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಗೇಮ್, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್.
ಗೇಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್.
ಏನೋ ಒಂದು
ಗೈಸ್, ಮೈ ಗೇಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ರಸ್ಟಿ ಗೈಸ್. ಏನೋ ನೀನು ಏನು ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್?
ನಿರ್ಮಲ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಗೈಸ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್.
ಅಂತೆ ಕಂತೆ ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ
ಕಲರ್ ನೋಡಿ.
ಮಜಾ ಬಂತಾ? ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈಟ್.
ನಿಂಗೊಂದು ಬೇಕಾ?
ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Food was good. I'm waiting for Veena to taste dessert. Yeah, no dessert.
ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಪಾನ್ ಕೋಟ.
Coconut panna cotta. Only that is pending. I would give 3.5 out of 5. Let's see what Prejo rates.
Same guys, I'm going to give it a 3.5.
Which is the best dish?
Thinking.
ಪನ್ನೀರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
I like the paneer chili the most and the baby corn crispy.
It's not baby corn.
It's not
American.
Crispy corn.
Whatever he wants, he'll tell you.
Which was, how much would you rate?
I would rate it
Out
like
of 5.
4.5 because the service is very good.
Hospitality.
Yeah, the hospitality is good. And the food was also like not bad. It was not like, it tastes good.
Which is the best dish?
I like the paneer chili. And
Even me, paneer chili. And
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ?
Aman Kirke.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಡತ್ತೆ? ಇಡತ್ತೆ is a good treat.
2.5.
2.5. ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಡತ್ತೆ? Which is best dish? ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Corn.
Crispy corn.
Crispy corn.
Adeshwama, ನೀವು?
He gives 5 and 5 to
5.
Which best dish?
Kerala parotta.
Kerala.
And pickle 5.
Pickle was very good. Pickle ಮಜಾ ಬಂತು. ಫ್ರಿಜ್ಜಿಗೂ ಮಜಾ ಬಂತು. Okay guys, we are done with dinner. This was the fancy that you saw dessert. It's called tender coconut panna cotta. The bill is here guys. The bill is 5,700 rupees, which is not too bad, not too good. It's decent. It is good. But the service here is great. Lalita should be great. Some great service. Bang on 10 on 10 for service.
ಗೋಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ